Okay, let's have a quick look at this Corsair before I maiden. I'm just going to go over what I've done with this plane. Right away, I swapped out the motor, the 540 kV motor for the 650 kV that comes stock in the T28 and P40. The 540 kV, I'm certain I wouldn't be happy with that throttle performance. I also modified the gears and the retracts for the field. I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but there's like 5 little size 4 washers in the back side of these. So 10 washers per retract. And the landing gears, the wheels got changed out for actually the F4 Corsair wheels from E-flite. They're 3-inch where, I don't know what, FMS has theirs at like 2.5 inches. It's actually a perfect fit, except it's a little bit skinnier, so I just use size 6 washer right here in between that E-clip and the wheel. And it fits perfectly. So it should be able to handle the field. And aside from that, just did a little paint, little minor painting details. I painted up the tail hook right here. You should be able to see that, the black and white, the stripes, the pinstripes. And that's it. The pitot tube already got cracked off, so I hot glued it back on. And the rocket launchers. I painted up the rocket launchers. So it's like a dark ghost gray, and then khaki and aluminum tips right there. So the next video up will be testing how it taxis and the maiden flight.